1. Print x. X is equal 1. So print the type x. X is integer. Then y equal 2.8. Print y is equal to 2.8. Print type y. It's float. Then z equal 1j. Print z is equal 1j and print the type z. It's complex 1. X equal minus 3. Print x. It's minus 3 and print type x. It's an integer. Although it has a negative charge, then it is an integer. And x equal minus 3.9. Then print x. It's minus 3.9. Its type is print type x. It's a float. Then x equal 5 small e 3. Then print x 35,000 and print type x. It is a float. And y equal 1 to capital E 4. Print y and print type of y is a float. And z equal minus 87.7 small e 100. Print z. And print type z. It's a float. Then print or convert from type to another. How to convert from type to another? If x equal 1, it is an integer because its definition, its type is integer. And if we want to convert x from integer to float, then we have to specify another variable like a equal float x, float of x. Then print x, this one, and print A, it is 1.0. And if y equal 2.8 is a plot, then we have to convert it to an integer. We say that b equal integer of y. Then print y. Print b is equal to 10. Here we can convert from integer to float and from float to integer. Also, we can convert from integer and float to complex, or vice versa, complex to float or integer. Here we can discuss the Bisons, strings. String is, when we say Bison string, we mean Bison text. And here we have to mention some important information about strings, that we can identify the strings with two methods. One of them is A equal hello. And print A, it's hello. And B equal hello. Print B, it's hello. Then the string in this double quotation or single quotation mark, then they represent finally one result.